A set of calculations rules we can do is sort of box number calculations or addition from a previous row. So we can see here we have our calculated box numbers. So just starting from the top, it's in the addition of 1, working down that table. We can also use the Imago link to connect to Imago. So that is where those intervals are being pulled, as well as displaying the images. We can also then link directly into Imago through that API hyperlink to view on those images. But what we can use with those box numbers is to use in to calculate and also to help validate. So if we have our manual box numbers, we can see if a number has been skipped during the photo process, or if we don't want to have any manual box numbers calculated. We know that there should be always a +1 from the interval previously, so we can create that previous interval there. Like I said, we can use it as a checking form as well. So creating a rule where if our box number, our manual box number and our calculated box number doesn't match, we can throw a check, a validation rule there that will say, hey, highlight, there is a mismatch, and you can determine what has gone on. So again, just a very simple rule, calculated box number versus box number or minus box number. If that result is not 0, then we have an issue. So return a warning or a variable that is telling us to check, and we can then use that as a validation. This can be used on any table. This is just an example of where this might be valid.